The main functions of TaxDome. TaxDome's CRM feature helps you manage all client relationships in one place. You can track details for both individual and company accounts, keeping all your data organized and accessible. You can access the CRM feature in the client's link in the sidebar menu. With TaxDome, you can manage unlimited client information seamlessly in one place. You can have unlimited clients with your subscription, whether they are companies or individuals. Each client, whether a company or individual, is set up as an account and linked to one or more contacts, enabling a complete profile for each client, including essential data, communication history, and custom fields. On the Accounts page, you can see everything related to accounts, including responsible team members, balance due, tags, and the number of pending items such as unsigned documents. The Contacts page displays your entire firm's contact list, showing key details such as names, emails, and phone numbers. You can perform bulk actions from the Accounts list, such as sending emails, organizers, proposals, initiating tasks, and more. These actions can be targeted to all clients or specific groups. The messages they receive will be personalized automatically, so they won't ever know it was a bulk action. Now let's move on to the Documents feature. The Documents feature allows secure, organized storage for all client files, simplifying document sharing and management. With TaxDome, you can centralize all your clients' files and streamline workflows. Once you upload a document to an account, you can find it under Documents in the sidebar or the Accounts Docs tab. The tabs are recent, which shows documents accessed in the last 30 days. The Docs tab lists all documents organized by client account. Finally, the Thrash tab holds deleted documents for 120 days. When a client uploads a document, you're notified by email and in Inbox Plus. Files uploaded by clients are labeled New until viewed by a team member. TaxDome lets you edit PDFs, fill forms directly, and collect legally binding e-signatures, all within our platform, accessible through both the client and firm mobile apps without needing external tools. You can also securely share documents with clients and third parties. TaxDome offers unlimited document storage, so no matter how many clients you have or if you share hundreds or thousands of documents, they will be stored on TaxDome forever with no extra cost. Now let's learn a little bit more about the Workflow feature. The Workflow feature helps you automate, auto-assign, and program recurrences for any task you need, saving up to 40 hours of work per employee monthly. You can create as many automations as you need within the platform. These automations make things happen without manual intervention, like creating tasks for team members or sending organizers and contracts to clients. In Workflow, everything is organized around pipelines, jobs, and tasks to help manage your work efficiently. Pipelines are visual workflows that guide a project from start to finish. For example, a pipeline could be client onboarding or tax return preparation, moving clients through steps like document collection, manager review, and e-filing. Jobs are specific client projects within a pipeline, like preparing a tax return or monthly payroll. Each job moves through the pipeline stages, letting you track progress at a glance. Tasks are smaller to-do items within each job, like request W-2 forms or verify deductions. You can assign tasks to team members so everyone knows what to do next. To simplify things, you can set up automations in a pipeline to trigger actions automatically, like creating tasks or sending client requests. Job recurrences allow jobs to repeat daily, weekly, or monthly, so regular tasks like monthly payroll are always ready. This system keeps your work organized, efficient, and easy to track from start to finish.